Hi guys, hope all's good with you. Here's a cool thing you can learn. If we take a major scale across the 6th string, like this, starting from a G, we've got G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp and G. So it's 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 15. Okay? What we're going to do next is we're going to harmonise those notes with bar chords, like this. So we've got G major, A minor, B minor, C, D, E minor. Let's just go as far as that for now. So instead of playing the full bar chord, what we can do is we can play a little interval off of the major third of the G. So that's on the 4th fret 3rd string. And we're going to play a root note on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. So this is a 6th. Let's think of this as our major shape, okay? Now when we come up to the minor, the A minor, we can do the same thing, but it doesn't have a major third. It's got a flat third. Okay? So that's 5th fret on the 3rd string, 5th fret on the 1st string as well. So, major, minor, minor can be turned into major, minor, minor. Now, those sound really cool if we slide between them like this. Just to finish it off, you can put a chromatic minor in here, which would be like a B flat minor. Have a go at that one, and I'll see you in the next one.